We've just got ready. We are going to JBR, the walk.
Oh, it's a lovely place.
Did we say JBR is on the beachfront as well?
Yeah,
JBR, the walk is on the beachfront. So there's lovely shops there, restaurants as well, but we'll show you guys.
We'll show you anyway, alright?
Cool. See you in a bit.
Follow us.
So guys, we're at JBR walk now.
Yes,
and
always stay hydrated with a bottle of water.
And the beach is down there. It's so nice here, guys. I'm so surprised it's so nice and calm.
Yeah.
5 o'clock in the afternoon. I thought it was going to be really busy. Yeah. So guys, it's absolutely lovely, like I've said already so many times. So peaceful, so calm. Oh, we need to give that a try. That looks like so much fun.
It is actually really nice.
Absolutely lovely, guys.
Really nice. So let's go and get some food because we're hungry
now. We're so hungry. I know we keep saying we're hungry all the time, but we kind of are because we love food. We finally made it to RJ's favourite burger place, Shake Shack.
Yeah. What the best part is, that's Shake Shack.
Yep. Let me move out the way.
And that is the beach. Yeah. You see that? You can have your burger on the beach, but in our case, we're gonna go and have it inside Shake Shack because we had to have it fresh, straight off the grill. I don't even want them to walk a second with the burger. Shake Shack, for me, do the best burgers.
Okay guys, the food's here. Just need to fix this camera right here.
Okay, so we have 2 stacks here. We've got the classic. Oh, look at that foamy. Look at that. Cushiony, soft, cushiony bun. Oh, I've got some sauce on my hand. We always have to do 2 patties. Look at it, juicy. Look at that. Look at the steam still coming out. Here, the shroom burger, shroom stack. Portobello mushrooms stuffed with cheese, melted cheese. And then you can, but first let's show them this goodie. Look at that, bacon, scallions, spicy chipotle cheddar cheese sauce on top of crinkled fries. And then there's another burger there. Alright, oh, you tucked into the chips already. You've got the portobello mushroom filled with melted cheese. Look at how soft the bun is. They do the best bun Shake Shack. That cheese drop. Look at this filling.
God, I can't even believe that.
Came out of the mushroom.
Let's see. Did that come out of the mushroom?
This came out of the mushroom.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so stringy.
Look, got most of it. Now,
guys, I'm doing the same by the way behind the camera.
she's just dripping. Right, now Hazzy's going for my classic burger. Give us a show. Oh my god, look at that, guys. You know, show them the softness of the bun. Better than the McDonald's filet burger bun. Alright. Oh, look at them chips, man. Go on, show them. What?
Get all messy, you know that. Let's do this.
I don't care what they say about the other burger places, Five Guys or whatnot. This is the best. Oh, look at her. She's just not even stopping. Okay. And it's got the nice crust on top. Oh. I told you. You didn't believe me.
So gooey.
She was one of them Five Guys fans. I told her if you want a real fast food burger, you've got to come to Shake Shack. No one beats them. Oh, are they?
Not too.
You always have to get your mouth a little dirty.
The lettuce, oh, crisp lettuce.
Did you see how fresh the lettuce is? Wow. So light and crispy. Look at her mouth. everywhere. If you have it on your mouth, you ain't had a burger.
Nice cheddar.
I told you. What do you think of the chips?
I absolutely love
The Chipotle cheddar.
So delicious.
You want to get a bite of everything. Look at that. She's turned it into wedges. Oh yes. How was it? Did you still get that crisp on it?
Still crispy.
Still crispy and
There's so much sauce on it. Chipotle sauce, cheese as well. It's still so crispy.
And you know what the best part is? It's crispy on the top, light and fluffy in the inside.
So delicious. I think I would have appreciated forks though, instead of these little cute things. I can't grab like 4 or 5 chips in a go. We like going for everything.
We become animals when it comes to food. We're animals.
We're food snatchers.
Yet to see who can beat Shake Shack. Because you can't only do the burger patty or the sauce, you've got to take out the bun as well. For me, no one's beating these guys.
So if you guys are into burgers, honestly, you have to give this place a try. It's absolutely amazing. So delicious. It's just so flavorful.
Here we go, strawberry mint lemonade.
And that is so delicious.
And that is absolutely
so refreshing.
Top it off with. Oh, ooh. Nice. This is just perfect for strawberry mint lemonade.
Thank you very much, Noor.
We will give you the best hospitality.
Goodbye, JPR. These guys, come and see them. They're lovely. No one would say this is a fast food joint. They give you 5-star service here.
Customer service is amazing here. Thank you so much.
Every one of them are lovely.
Guys, this is Noor again. He's an inspiration. The happiest guy in Dubai so far. So what were you saying, Noor?
My father was saying you cannot buy the smile to making yourself
Feel good.
Yeah, feel good. But
yep.
smiles only comes, you see the people are smiling outside. It's making you smile.
Of course, it's just the positivity around you, isn't it?
Around you.
Exactly, and then you feel good, of course.
If the person is in front of you, if he's not happy.
But you can't be happy yourself.
Be happy, yes.
Always surround yourself with happy people.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you come across people who are not very happy, make them happy.
Yeah.
So then the world can be a happier place. Isn't it, RJ?
Yes, will be also happy.
Exactly. Let's make the world a happier place, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.
Red velvet ice cream, which looks amazing.
Red velvet ice cream, I've never tried that before. Let's give it a little taste test.
I love my red velvet. But I've never tried ice cream. Is it good?
Works? Oh my god, that
You
works.
need to give me one. Red velvet ice cream, guys.
Red velvet ice cream. That is actually nice. The red velvet just melts with the ice cream.
This is like the best ice cream I've ever had. Oh.
I've never thought of having red velvet as ice cream.
What flavour is that on the inside?
It's like a creamy, cheesy kind of flavoured ice cream.
So delicious.
So you've got the ice cream, you've got the red velvet, and then you've got the cream cheese underneath. This is mad. All you red velvet lovers will love this.
Me, I'm one of them.
You will love this because I'm not even a mad fan of red velvet and I like this.
It's delicious. It's so nice, guys.
Oh my god.
And I don't know if they do this in the UK, by the way. So delicious, right?
Oh my god, so creamy.
Okay, I am gonna have to finish this off, guys.
The good thing is they've got so many promenades in Dubai and they're all so nice.
It's absolutely amazing just to be walking out here at night. It's just so lovely. Just so calm, just so peaceful. And yeah, it's just so nice. That's PF Chang's. That's PF Chang's.
Oh, we found it.
We found it.
We've
oh my
been
god.
looking for these prawns. You got a vlog coming your way. We've been looking for these prawns.
My sister came here a few months ago, and every time she comes here, she always goes for these prawns. They're these jumbo prawns, and oh my god, I can't believe I found it. Do you know that?
Yeah.
PF Chang's.
We were gonna Google it as well to find out where it is.
So it's this place here.
Oh, let's check out the shisha hub.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Looking
Shisha hub.
good. Oh, the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my god, everything's here.
Everything's here.
Okay guys, we're definitely going to be back to the Cheesecake Factory as well. Surprised we're still excited after eating all those burgers.
We've been to Dubai a few times now. We don't get fed up of Dubai. There's always something more to do.
Can I just show you though?
New.
Sorry, 1 second,
Oh,
Arjun,
look
how
at this.
packed
Show
it is.
upstairs. Look, upstairs is even packed.
Whoa, that's the cheesecake
upstairs.
factory, guys. I've heard the slices are huge, so that's our cup of tea, isn't it? Big food.
Shisha time.
Is it shisha time?
Smoky Beach.
Hi, good evening. That is so cool. Really chilled out here on the beach. RJ's already getting comfortable, guys. Where are you right now?
Smoky Beach is out of reach.
Oh, I am appreciating this right now. We have an aircon system right here. This is what we're gonna do, guys. This is what we appreciate.
We chill,
Can't see the
guys.
buildings
I
look
love
so
it.
nice at the back.
See the buildings,
guys see
guys?
that?
Look at that. Lean back and you get a tour.
So did you say you do your signature?
Yeah, signature. Orange and strawberry mix.
Here we go. The iced shisha pipe.
Ooh, that's looking amazing.
One of their special ones with their signature flavour.
And there's ice in there. Wow.
Orange, strawberry and mint.
And why is there ice in there, RJ?
We don't know. All we know is this is how they roll in Dubai.
Check out what RJ's doing, guys. He is just chilling.
Smoking shisha in one of the best places in the world. It's expensive here, but good quality.
So I had to show you this. Check out this big baby of mine. I have a big baby here. I think he's making the most noise out here, guys.
We still keep
Yeah, we sure are. You're the biggest one.
all of the promenades do have the taxi golf cart. So if you're feeling lazy, hot, tired, whatever it is, you can jump on that. Dubai, the best part is you can get up slowly. In the afternoon, it all begins. So you're here out till late night. So if you're not an early bird and you like waking up late but still enjoying the day, this is the place to be.
This is it for the night. It's, what time is it now? 2 in the morning and we are ready to go home now. Take care,
Peace.
stay well. See ya, bye.